When it comes to technology, we've all heard the expression, it's not just science. It's science fiction come to life. Well, today we're going to talk about something that takes that phrase to a whole new level. The quantum internet. Welcome back, friends. I'm glad you're here. Today we're diving into something that could change the way the entire world connects. The quantum internet. Imagine a world where your internet is unhackable and lightning fast. So advanced that today's Wi-Fi would feel like the old dial-up days. This isn't science fiction, it's a communication revolution in the making. So stick with me, because in the next few minutes we'll break down how it works, why it matters, and when it could be in your hands. Before we get to the how, let's clear up the what. In your current computer, data lives in bits, ones and zeros. Think of them like tiny light switches, on or off. In quantum computing, we have qubits, and they're like dimmer switches. They can be on, off, or any shading between, all at once. This is called superposition. It allows quantum systems to hold much more information in the same space. Then there's entanglement, what Einstein famously called spooky action at a distance. When two qubits are entangled, changing one instantly changes the other, no matter if they're centimeters apart or on opposite sides of the planet. These properties are the secret sauce of the quantum internet. The biggest challenge is distance. Ordinary internet uses repeaters that copy and boost signals. But copying quantum data is impossible because of something called the no-cloning theorem. In quantum physics, information can't be perfectly duplicated. Instead, we use quantum repeaters that extend entanglement step by step over large distances without copying it. For security, there's quantum cryptography, specifically quantum key distribution (QKD). Here, if someone tries to eavesdrop, the quantum link is disturbed, and both parties instantly know there's a breach. That means unbreakable encryption, not in theory, but in physical law. Now let's talk about why this matters. Why should you care about this mind-bending technology? Well, to put it simply, the quantum internet will change the world as we know it. Here's why. Unhackable communication. Today, our data is constantly at risk from hackers. But with the quantum internet, forget about it. The protocols are built on the laws of nature, meaning no one, not even the most sophisticated cyber criminal, will be able to hack your connection. Faster than light communication, okay? Maybe not literally faster than light, but pretty darn close. We're talking near instantaneous communication around the globe. Global collaboration. Imagine working on projects with colleagues on the other side of the planet and it feels like you, Ray, in the same room. That's the kind of collaboration the quantum internet will enable. Quantum computing power. The quantum internet will allow us to tap into vast distributed quantum computing resources. We won't be limited to the capabilities of a single machine. Instead, we'll be able to access the combined power of networks of quantum computers. This will open up new frontiers in science and medicine, allowing us to do things we never thought possible, like simulating complex molecules for drug discovery, modeling climate patterns with unprecedented accuracy. But here's the best part. You don't have to be a physicist to reap the rewards of this technological leap. Just as the regular internet has transformed countless industries and aspects of our lives, the quantum internet will do the same. The question is, when will this amazing technology be within reach? Well, the good news is that we're closer than you might think. While some applications are still in the experimental stage, others are making their way into the real world. Test networks are being built in several countries, including the United States, China, and the European Union, have launched initiatives to develop and implement quantum internet technology. Major tech companies are also investing heavily in quantum computing and communication, which indicates a bright future for the quantum internet. Here's the bottom line. Don't be left behind. The quantum internet is coming, whether you realize it or not. So take the time to learn about it, understand its potential, and maybe even invest in its development. Who knows? You might just be part of the next technological revolution. At Facts Matter, we bring you the wonders of science, tech, and the mysteries that shape our world. If you enjoyed this glimpse into the future of communication, make sure to like this video. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss what's coming next. Stay curious. The future is quantum.